Imagine this. You have a client who has been battling with overwhelming anxiety for years. Every time they face a challenging situation, their mind spirals into a loop of negative thoughts. I'm going to fail, I'm not good enough, everyone will judge me. Despite your best efforts, they seem stuck, unable to break free from these destructive patterns. Sounds familiar? Now, what if I told you there's a simple yet powerful tool that can help them not just understand but completely transform these thoughts into something functional and empowering? Welcome to the world of when-then statements. In today's video, I am going to walk you through a step-by-step process that you can use to help your clients restructure those dysfunctional thoughts and replace them with ones that propel them forward rather than hold them back. Before we dive into the how, let's first understand the what. Dysfunctional thoughts, those nagging negative beliefs that stop us in our tracks, are the root of many psychological struggles. These are thoughts that keep your client from doing what they want or need to do. On the other hand, functional thoughts are the ones that empower them, helping them achieve their goals and live a more fulfilling life. The goal with when-then statements is to transition your clients from that negative loop into a mindset that propels their growth and well-being. Let's break down the process of creating when-then statements. Step 1. Identify the current behavior or emotion. Start by helping your client identify the specific behavior or emotion they want to change. This could be anything from anxiety, as we mentioned earlier, to procrastination or self-doubt. Step 2. Identify the trigger. Next, you will need to identify the trigger. What is it that sets off this dysfunctional behavior or emotion? Often, clients might not even be fully aware of what their triggers are, and this is where mindfulness and hypnosis can be invaluable. Mindfulness helps your clients tune into their thoughts and feelings in the present moment, making it easier to identify those sneaky triggers. Hypnosis can take this a step further, allowing them access to deeper levels of awareness where these triggers often reside. Step 3. Current thoughts related to the trigger. Once the trigger is clear, work with your client to uncover the thought that comes up when the trigger is activated. This is usually the dysfunctional thought that's been holding them back. Step 4. Desired feeling. Now ask your client, what do they want to feel when faced with this trigger? This desired feeling will guide the next step. Step 5. Desired thought. Here, you help them craft a thought that can generate the desired feeling. This is the thought that will replace the old dysfunctional one. Step 6. Create the when-then statement. Finally, you put it all together into a simple yet powerful statement. When trigger, then I realize desired thought. For example, when I feel nervous about speaking up in a meeting, then I realize I have valuable insights to share. This when-then statement becomes a mental cue that your client can rely on whenever they encounter their triggers. And remember, mindfulness and hypnosis are not just tools for uncovering triggers. They are also powerful allies in reinforcing these new functional thoughts. By helping your clients stay present and access deeper levels of their subconscious, you ensure that these when-then statements stick and lead to real lasting change. So, there you have it. A step-by-step guide to using when-then statements to help your clients restructure dysfunctional thoughts. This method is straightforward yet incredibly effective, making it a must-have tool in your therapeutic arsenal. But this is just the beginning. To truly master this and other advanced techniques, I encourage you to explore our Cognitive Hypnotic Psychotherapy Diploma. This comprehensive program integrates when-then statements with a wide array of therapeutic approaches, equipping you to create profound transformations in your clients' lives. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your colleagues, and don't forget to subscribe for more insights on powerful therapeutic techniques. Until next time, keep empowering your clients.